In this video, we're going to compare Copy AI to Niches, and we're going to compare it in regards to which one passes Copyscape better. Okay, for the sake of brevity, I've already populated these so that we can just go ahead and run them. So you can see I've chose the blog post intro in Niches, and I've chose the blog intro inside of Copy AI. So let's run Niches, let it generate its plan, and we'll flip over to Copy AI and let it do its thing. And Niches says that it's done already, so let's click on View Plan, and we're just going to take the first one of both of them. So let's copy this, and let's go to Copyscape, paste it in, and do a premium search. So it says no results found. So that means that it's 100% copyright free. So Niches obviously did a very good job. So let's clear this now, and let's go to the first one for Copy AI. And let's go over to Copyscape, and let's paste it in, and we'll do a premium search. And it didn't find anything neither. So you can see that both of these are quite comparable when it comes to creating blog intros. So if that's the case, then what if we try a YouTube intro? So we're going to choose the actual opening line, and we're going to scroll down. We're going to say the title of the video is the title that we had before, and we're going to generate it in Niches. Over here, we're going to go to our YouTube, wherever that was, social media, YouTube description intro, and we're going to create it here as well. So let's go back over to Niches. It's done. So let's grab the first one, and let's go to Copyscape, and let's see what it comes up with. So do a premium search, and it found no results. So once again, Niches actually worked out really well. So let's choose one that's similar here, and we'll take that, and let's paste it in, and let's do a premium search, and Copyscape passed that as well. So as you can see, both of these products are very comparable. Now the difference between them is that at the moment, you can actually get a lifetime subscription with Niches, whereas with Copy AI you cannot. So those are the real differences. Honestly, I find both tools to be amazing. So if you're interested in either of these tools, I'll leave links below, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, please hit the like, the subscribe, or the notification bell so that you can be notified of more videos like this one.